And welcome everybody, this is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube. This is Forex Trading for Beginners. Melbourne 2 a.m, Singapore 11 p.m, Madrid 4 p.m, New York and Toronto 10 a.m, London, England 3 p.m. So good morning, good evening or good afternoon traders all around the world. Our goal for you is to become consistently profitable, minimum 3 months, knowing when, how and why you make and or lose money. You should not be allowed to trade with your real money until you reach the goal. And here is the risk disclaimer: don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and the webinars are not investment or trading advice. They are for educational purposes only. Hello Miguel, I saw your message on Skype. I answered to you already. And your job, everybody, is to question everything and to remember trading is 80% emotional, psychological and only 20% technical. So in order to be successful, you need to have your mind set of rules, right? We are building our rules, and your heart. You need to manage your emotions in the right place. Remember, being consistently profitable is difficult. You probably still have things to learn, and if your way is not working, why don't you try ours? Also remember that 90% of traders who makes it between the 3rd and the 5th year. For homeworks and or additional coaching or training or just questions, you have the Gmail contact, the Skype contact and the LinkedIn contact. That being said, everybody, let's dive into the live markets. And bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. Yes sir, we are going to open NZD cat 2 hour chart. We are going to open NZD cat 2 hour chart, everybody. And I received an email from Arthur, and he said, Passion, I have problems with candlestick formations. Can you help me? Yes sir, yes sir. So let's make a trading exercise, everybody. I'm going to delete this. What is this? Take profit, stop loss, whatever. Okay, let me see. Stop loss, take profit. How can I change? Okay, close. Yes, close. Okay, what is this? This is the price movement. So let's do the trading exercise. We are going to take this uptrend and we are going to trade this uptrend using the bullish candlestick formations. Okay, Arthur, if you are here, we are going to go slowly, okay, step by step. And of course, we are going to trade like this. We don't have a crystal ball, right? But in some point in time, the market broke our downtrend line. So we are here right now. This was the downtrend line break. And we are going to wait. We are going to trade bullish candlestick formations, okay? We are going to go very slowly, Arthur, for you, because you said that you have problems identifying bullish and bearish, but today the webinar is bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. So let's say that the market broke our downtrend line and we want to enter, right? Buying bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. Remember, everybody, we are going to try at least to buy bullish candlestick formations when the retracement is over, right? So if we are going to enter in the right place, then we are going to win. If we are going to enter in the wrong place, you know, maybe somewhere in here, then we are going to lose. But ultimately we should win more times that we are going to lose. Okay, And don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. Let's see, this is the market, and let's go. We don't have the crystal ball. The market just broke our downtrend line, and we are here right now. This is the market, still falling. Okay. Arthur and everybody else, is this a bullish? 1 2 3 candles. You can take out your candlestick cheat sheet and look at the picture. Is this or is this not a bullish candlestick formation, everybody? The circle. Okay, I'm going to point also an arrow. Is this, Arthur, if you're in the webinar, is this a bullish candlestick formation? Don't bother with the name. You can type yes, you can type no, you can type I don't know. So if you're going to say yes, we are going to buy this bullish candlestick formation. And Miguel says bullish morning star. Lorenzo says morning star. Okay. So, and together with the counter trendline break, right? If the market is going to break this candlestick formation, then we are going to buy, right? And yes, Lorenzo and Miguel, you're right, this is a bullish candlestick formation. So we are going to enter buying, and just for this exercise, we are going to use the same stop loss. Okay, stop loss above, below the up trend line. Okay, stop loss below the uptrend line. So it's going to be always the same. So if you're a beginner trader, please pay attention to this webinar. You are going to see that the things, right? So if we are going to buy this bullish candlestick formation, our stop loss is below the uptrend line. It's going to be always the same. So let's go. Yes, I would bought it too. So me and Lorenzo Miguel, we bought this candlestick formation, right? This is our stop loss down here, and as you can see, everybody, the market retraced and retested our bullish candlestick formation. Now we have another one in here. Arthur, is this a bullish candlestick formation, everybody? Is this a piercing line? Is this a dark cloud cover? Or just type yes if you think that this is a bullish candlestick formation. And we said, right, to the beginner trader, when you enter, the market is going to retest 8-9 times out of 10. So don't panic. And this is the retest, right? Our stop loss is still in place. Boris says is piercing pattern. Okay, great. So yes, this is also the bullish candlestick formation, and we would enter again, right? So this was the counter trend line, and let's see what's going to happen. This was another counter trend line. We would bought these bullish candlestick formations, and let's see slowly what's going to happen. Well, the market is up, is up, is up. Okay, now what about this? Is this a bullish candle, bullish candlestick formation, bullish candle up here? Okay, let's delete the arrow. If you're a beginner trader, Arthur and everybody else, is this a bullish candlestick formation up here? You can say yes, you can say no, you can say it's a bullish engulfing candle, or... So we entered, see, and we entered buying the first bullish candlestick formation, we entered buying the second, and we are going to move our stop loss together with the uptrend line. So right now we are in profit, but the question is the red arrow pointing at another bullish candlestick formation? What do you think? Teacher Miguel, would you buy this white candle? And Boris and Lorenzo, would you buy this white candle up here? So I have two questions. Arthur, if you're in the webinar, you said that you have difficulties spotting the candlestick formations. Is this a bullish candle? Bearish evening star incomplete. Not yet, Miguel. I'm pointing just to the white candle, right? So this is a bullish candle. Now the question is, would you buy this bullish candle? Full body, says Lorenzo. Yes, sir. So is it right or is it wrong to buy this bullish candle, everybody? I know some of you see the market moving and you are jumping into trades just because you see the market moving. So is it okay for me to buy this bullish candle? Maxine, if you're in the webinar, what do you think? Would be wrong or would be right to buy this bullish candle? What do you think? We explained the rules on how to trade, when to enter. And yes, it would be wrong. Alessandro, possible retracement. Yes, so in an uptrend, when you see a bullish candle or a bullish candlestick formation, wait and enter in retracements. Yes, sir. So this is a bullish candle, but it's not the right time to enter. So let's go step by step. See, if you would enter there, so this would be a no trade, right? Especially in news announcements, we are late because we were working or we were sleeping or we were walking, and we open our trading station and we just want to take advantage of the market. Arthur, wait for close and next candle. Sure. So we are going to wait for the retracement, and remember, we are moving our stop together with the uptrend line. Every time we are going to enter in a bullish candlestick formation, our stop is going to be below the uptrend line. So let's wait for the retracement. We are waiting. Okay. Now, of course, we don't have the crystal ball, right? But let's color code this in black again. Black. Okay. And right now, who would enter buying this bullish engulfing candle? Remember, Arthur and everybody else, you need to wait for the candle to close. So you would enter in here. This is going to be the entry, right? We would enter in here and our stop loss would go together with the uptrend line, right? If you would enter in here, down here, everybody, down here, this is not a bullish candlestick formation, right? Don't tell me, oh yes, I would enter here, down here in the circle. Well, if you would enter here, my friend, you would enter something that it's not a bullish candlestick formation. And take your candlestick formation cheat sheet for you to see. But yes, we have a bullish engulfing candle. So we are going to enter up here and our stop loss is going to be down here. We are going together with the uptrend line, right? Now, sometimes, very slowly for the beginner trader, sometimes what is going to happen? you are going to be afraid to enter in here, because you are going to be afraid, if you're a beginner, that the market, that you're entering in an extension, right? I mean, this is a bullish candle, bullish engulfing, but you could think, man, but what if this is an extension already? Should I wait? And the answer is, everybody, when you are in doubt, stay out, okay? Nobody's telling you, oh, you need to take 100% of trades, right? If you are not sure about this level, if you think, oh, maybe I'm in extension, maybe I should wait for another retracement, it's okay. It's okay if you are out, if you don't trade this bullish engulfing candle, it's okay. But if you enter, just put your stop loss down here, below the uptrend, right? So let's see what's going to happen. I would trade this one. So the market went up, right? Went up, up, up again. So the market is moving up. Whoa, look at the profit. Look at the profit. And we are moving our stop together with the uptrend line. It's just an example. It goes to all currency pairs and all time frames, everybody. You can do the same, okay? So let's see what is happening next. We don't have the crystal ball. The market is moving. The market is moving and still moving. And still moving, right? Still moving up, up, and we are moving our trend line together. Stop below the uptrend line, and we are up here, and finally the market is starting to retrace again, right? So I enter here. This would be my profit. If you want, right? This would be the profit. Nice profit. So as you can see, everybody, from the beginning, right? Let's color code in green. So we won this one. We won the second one. Why did we win? Because our stop loss was never triggered. Our stop loss was below the uptrend line. Our stop loss was never triggered. So don't panic, Arthur and everybody else, when the market is going to retest. So we won number one, we won number two, right? We didn't enter in the extension. We won number three, right? We are still in an uptrend, the uptrend line, and we are here right now. Okay, let's find the next bullish candlestick formation in an uptrend. And the market is waiting. Okay, here we go, right? We don't have the crystal ball. Come on, not this one. Now, what is this, everybody? Is this or is this not a bullish candlestick formation in here? The blue and the white. You don't see the black one, right? So this was the extension, and you don't have the crystal ball, but you are looking right now on this formation here. And Lorenzo is saying, yes, it's engulfing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, could be the engulfing, right? Now, as a beginner trader, we said you should wait for the end of the retracement, right? But we don't have the crystal ball, right? So this is going to be black. Okay, and our stop loss, everybody, remember, is below the uptrend line, right? Below the uptrend line. Okay, And yes, this is a bullish candle, and if you would enter, everybody, there is no right or wrong, you don't have the crystal ball, so let's say that I would enter, okay, my stop loss is below the uptrend line. Let's see what is going to happen. The market retested and retested and retested and retested, right? Indecision. I'm moving my stop loss together with the uptrend line, right? So I entered in the wrong place, right? This was the counter trend line, first one, and Lorenzo is right, this is a bullish engulfing candle, but it was in the right place, meaning the retracement is not over, but I'm safe because my stop loss is below the uptrend line, right? And let's move on. Okay, Arthur, who said that he has difficulties to identify what is this. Is this a bullish candlestick formation, everybody? Right? Take out your cheat sheet and look at this. What is this? 1, 2, 3, the blue candle going down, some kind of indecision candle, and the next, this is the live market. Alessandro says morning star, Miguel says bullish morning star. Yes, sir. So yes, for everybody who has difficulties to identify the candlestick formations, yes, this is a bullish candlestick formation. So what we are going to do, we are going to not enter yet, we are going to wait for the counter trendline break, right? Why is the counter trendline break so important? Well, the counter trendline break is going to help us to stay out until the retracement is over. So we entered at the wrong area, the wrong time, because of this, because the market broke this counter trend line here. But now that the market fall further, we are going to adjust our counter trend line like this, and we are going to enter buying this bullish morning star. Arthur said it's bullish, but maybe distribution. Yes, sir. So we are going to wait and let's see what's happened. Yes, we identified this is a bullish candlestick formation, but we are going to wait for the counter trendline break because the market is going to fall, maybe. We don't know. So this is a potential trade, but we are staying out. Let's see. Still sideways, down, sideways, up. Let's stretch the counter trend line. And yes, now we are in. Now we are in the trade. Okay, we are in the trade, and let's see, our stop loss is below the uptrend line. We are moving our stop loss together. Now let's see how is this one going to play out. So it's moving up, up, up. Let's see, and we are here right now. Stop loss below the uptrend line still. So as you can see, everybody, if you go with this technique, with the stop loss below the uptrend line, even though that we entered in the wrong place with the first one, right? Because we didn't have the, we had the counter trend line break, but the market moved further down, right? The market moved further down, right? But even though with the stop loss below the uptrend line, so we entered, let me check, we entered here, so we are in profit right now with this one, and we are in profit here with this one, right? Okay, so we won 5 times so far and we lost one. We lost one because we entered in the wrong place. We won 5. Okay, we are not going to say to you that, oh, we are going to win 100% of the time. No sir, but we are going to win 7, 8, 9 out of 10. Okay, so let's see, we are going to wait for the next retracement, which is here. The market is retracing, the market is retracing. Okay, and we are moving our stop loss together with the uptrend line, and we are here right now. This is what you see, everybody. You don't see the future, but you have a counter trend line break. You have a counter trend line break. Now, of course, the question is this, all of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, are those 5 candles representing a bullish candlestick formation? Are those 5 candles representing? Is it reliable to do it in a lower time frame? Yes sir. Those candlestick formations, bullish or bearish, they work on all time frames. You can do this trading exercise by yourself on a 5-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 15-minute chart, daily, monthly, weekly. So the answer is yes. Just be sure to go together with the trend. Okay, have a trend line conforming with the trend. Now, the question is, we have a counter trend line break after a retracement. Question is, Arthur said, oh, I have problem identifying bullish candlestick formations. So what do you think, Arthur and Lorenzo and Miguel and Boris? What do you think? Is this or is this not a bullish candlestick formation? What do you think? Don't bother with the names. You can write yes, you can write no, you can write I don't know. But this is the live market. This is why identifying bullish and bearish candlestick formations sometimes is challenging, right? Lorenzo says piercing bullish, kind of. Yes, it could be. And Miguel says there is a shooting star bullish. Yes, it could be also. Morning star, says Boris. Yes, it could be. Arthur says distribution. Yes, it could be. So, in my opinion, okay, because I don't have the crystal ball, I would take this candle here and to form my decision, and I would take this candle here to form my decision, and I would take this candle here, whoops, to form my decision. I would take these 3 candles. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to delete, and we are here right now. I'm going to take the candlestick formation cheat sheet, and I would say if I'm taking the candles I just showed you, I would take the blue one, the first, I would take the 3rd candle, the blue one, and I would take the 5th candle, and I would say that this is a bullish morning star. Okay, I don't know, I'm not 100% sure, I don't have the crystal ball, but theory is on the cheat sheet, and this cheat sheet is free. Just type in the Google bullish candlestick formation cheat sheet, you are going to find it on the internet. So I would go, everybody, with the bullish morning star, but all of you right, could be bullish piercing line, could be bullish shooting star also, right? could be the morning star, distribution also, but yes, for me this is a bullish morning star. And if you're a beginner trader and you have difficulties, remember that the live market sometimes is going to give you more candles. It's not going to be easy and simple all the time, right? Like in the textbook, but sometimes the live market is going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4 more candles, most likely indecision candles. Okay, so you need to train this, Arthur and everybody else. It's a training, you need to train. So let's go back to trading, and we said that we are going to put our stop loss below the uptrend line. So yes, we are going to take this trade, and let's see what is going to happen. Next, falling down, falling down, falling down. So this is a bullish candlestick formation, but not in the right place, right? We entered buying at the wrong time, at the wrong place. So the market is still retracing, and remember what you should do. You should adjust your counter trend line in order to protect yourself, everybody. So we enter prematurely, and we are going to adjust our counter trend line, and we are going to stay out until the market breaks the counter trend line again. Miguel says, what is distribution? Distribution, I think, is the sideways movement when the market is going sideways, Miguel. But Arthur, I think Miguel is asking you if you would be so kind to answer to Miguel. So let's see, we are going to wait for the next. Let's find the next bullish candlestick formation. Okay, we have a counter trendline break. Lorenzo, what do you say? Is this those 3 candles, everybody? Lorenzo, Miguel, Arthur, Alessandro, Lorenzo, Boris, what do you say? Is this a bullish candlestick formation? The arrow is pointing at it. We have a counter trendline break. The candle closed the body on the other side of the... Miguel says yes, bullish morning star. Maybe. Arthur said in this case maybe correction, wait for a news, maybe. Okay. So yes, I would say that this is also not the perfect one, but this is a bullish candlestick formation because we have bear's power, the blue candle, we have indecision in between, and we have bull power on the next candle. So we are going to enter buying this currency pair. Boris says Harami, maybe yes. And let's see what's going to happen. The market is moving sideways, moving up, moving down, moving up, and we are going to adjust our stop loss, everybody. Stop loss below the uptrend line. So we are in a trade right now. Let's see, the market is moving, going up, going down, going up. Let's see what is going to happen. And remember, we are moving our stop loss together with our uptrend line. And in the meantime, everybody, as you can see, we had another opportunity here to enter another bullish candlestick formation in here. Counter trendline break, counter trendline break, right? And counter trendline break, right? But we want to see some profits. So The good news is, everybody, there are countless opportunity for the beginner trader to enter buying bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. The track says most of the trends are not as long and smooth as the one presented. No sir, this trend is a real trend. Putting stop loss below trend line would have terrible outcome in case of sudden spike, especially during the news spikes 100 pips. Yes sir, I agree with you, but this trend line is a real trend line. This is a live market, the tracks. Okay, so what we are presenting is the live market. This market is not made up, it's a live market. Okay, but yes, I agree with you about the news announcement and everything. Okay, so, and the tracks, if you have other currency pair and other time frame, if you don't believe me, just type in the chat. We are going to check your time frame and your currency pair. Okay, so we are going to move our stop loss together below the uptrend line, and the market moved up again, right? So we are here right now and we are waiting for the next trading opportunity. The market is retracing, and right now look at this, we have here another counter trend line break, another counter trend line break. Now everybody, what do you think? Is this maybe finally we are going to lose a trade? Is this one, we have a counter trend line break? Is this or is this not a bullish candlestick formation, everybody? What do you say, Boris and Arthur and Miguel and Lorenzo and Alessandro? What do you think? We are here right now, right? We have another counter trend line break, but is this or is this not a bullish candlestick formation? Because if it's not, and even though with the counter trend line break we shouldn't enter, right? Could be an engulfing in a 4 hour. It's not. Yes sir, yes sir. Bearish, we are looking for bullish, Miguel. So yes, all of you are right, this is not a bullish candlestick formation for Arthur and everybody else. So let's see what is going to happen. The market fall, let's see, fall again. So, whoa, look at this, falling. So we're going to adjust our counter trend line. The market is falling, the market is falling, the market is falling. So what about this one, everybody? What about this one? We didn't have a counter trend line, but is this a bullish candlestick formation? 1, 2, maybe 1, 2, 3. It's flag, but when it goes, yes sir. So this is, look at your cheat sheet. What is this? A bullish morning star, bullish evening star. Could you, if you have some spare time, show euro dollar 1 hour in February 2009? It's typical example of spikes during the uptrend. Sure. Oh, yes sir, no problem. Euro D 1 hour. Okay, let's go. Yes sir, absolutely. Euro dollar 1 hour chart. Absolutely. So February, right? February. Okay. Is it okay, Ditrex, is it okay if I draw my trend line like this first? Is it okay with you? Yes, okay. So we don't have the crystal ball, right? And the market broke our downtrend line, right? The market broke our downtrend line, right? So, and because we don't have the crystal ball, let's be honest with Ditrex, our first uptrend line, we need to connect the dots, right? Our first uptrend line would be in here. This would be our first uptrend line, right? To be confirmed. So we're going to do the same thing, right? So we have an uptrend line finally, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, let's start trading, everybody. Let's see the market. I'm going to zoom in the chart. So this is, let's see, this is our uptrend line. The market is retracing. Okay, so this is our uptrend line. Okay, Ditrex, no trade right now, yes, because the market broke our uptrend line. Agreed? Everybody together with Ditrex agreed that we don't have any buying opportunity right now. Okay, so let's wait. This is our uptrend line so far, so let's wait for the market, right? The market is moving, the market is moving, the market is moving, still going lower. The market is moving, so we are in a downtrend right now. Downtrend, right? And finally the market broke our downtrend line. Thank you, Ditrex, you gave me an excellent example. Excellent example. Thank you, Ditrex. Alessandro, Arthur, Ditrex, of course, Miguel, Boris, Lorenzo, would you buy this bullish engulfing candle? Thank you, Ditrex. You helped me a lot today. Great example. Ditrex, would you buy this bullish candle, my friend? And Alessandro, Lorenzo, Arthur, Miguel, Boris, no. Why not? Why not? R says no. Why not, everybody? This is a bullish engulfing candle. Why wouldn't you buy this one? This is a bearish dark cloud cover. Yes, sir. Also, but you don't have the crystal ball when it happens, Miguel. You don't have the crystal ball. When it happens, you are going to see just this beautiful bullish engulfing candle. Ditrex and Arthur, you were right. Why? But why wouldn't you buy this one? Don't like big candles. Okay, this could be a reason. Dark cloud cover. Arthur, you don't have the crystal ball when it happens. Big candles are usually followed by huge retracement or reversal. Okay, but I want to hear from you, everybody. There is a technical reason why shouldn't you buy this bullish engulfing candle. If you're a beginner trader, there is a technical reason why shouldn't you buy this bullish. Teacher Miguel, who knows? Alessandro, Lorenzo, Boris, Arthur, Miguel, Ditrex, what do you think? There is a technical reason why is not, maybe, right? We don't have the crystal ball, but technically speaking it's not the right time to enter buying this bullish engulfing candle. Miguel says I don't know, but the blue candle should be before the white or not. No sir, no sir, no sir. This is the reason, everybody, you should buy bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend, which is here, and then the market broke our uptrend line, the market reversed, and we are in a downtrend. This is why I said thank you to DTRX, because this is a great example when trading is challenging. So even though this is a bullish engulfing candle, if I would buy this bullish engulfing candle, I would enter in a downtrend, And again, where should the market go for us to adjust our uptrend line? We are still in a downtrend, everybody. Only when the market is going to make a higher high than this one, only then we are going to adjust our trend line, and we are going to start buying bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. Okay, so number one, yes, this is a bullish candlestick formation, this is a bullish engulfing candle. Number two, yes, it broke the downtrend line. But number three, we are not in a confirmed uptrend yet. Okay. Now DTRX, thank you, my friend. This is a much better example than mine. So what we're going to do, let's see what's going to happen. So some traders would buy. If you're a beginner, don't buy this yet. Let's wait. We don't have the crystal ball. Let's wait what is going to happen. And the market fall. See, everybody, when you are going to buy this bullish engulfing candle and you would lose, don't say bullish candlestick formations, they don't work. Look where and what are you trading. You just entered in a downtrend. So instead of us adjusting the uptrend line, the market made another lower low, so we are going to adjust our downtrend line. So far we're going to adjust our downtrend line. So this is our downtrend line right now, adjusted, and the market is falling. Okay, falling again. Arthur and everybody else, but Arthur sent an email to us. Is this a bullish candlestick formation? All together, 1, 2, 3, 4, everybody. Alessandro, Lorenzo, what do you think? Boris? DTRX? Miguel, what do you think? Is this a bullish candlestick formation? Yes, it is, right? This is again a bullish engulfing candle. But are we going to enter? No, sir, because we are still in a downtrend. Now DTRX engulfing, yes sir, DTRX. Now the picture is going to change. We are going to clean up the chart, everybody. And as you can see, now is the right time to adjust our uptrend line, because the market made a higher high, right? The market made a higher high, so we are going to adjust our uptrend line right now. we are going to move our uptrend line and we are going to adjust it like here, and this is going to be our new uptrend line and our new reference. Any questions so far, everybody? Any questions? If you don't understand, please type in the chat, Passion, I don't understand. Explain again. We are here for you. Okay, so we are going to remove this downtrend line. It's not useful anymore. Adjusting the lower trend line. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. From the... Okay, let's compress the chart. So, because we don't have the crystal ball, our first trend line was like this, right? And then because the market broke our uptrend line, this one, the market broke our uptrend line, we started on drawing our downtrend line. And now that the market broke our downtrend line and made a higher high, we are going to adjust our uptrend line, the lower trend line, yes. And we are going to remove the upper because it's not valid anymore. The market broke. And let's go back on track. We are going to... So we are here right now. And let's see, we want to enter buying bullish candlestick formations in an uptrend. We're going to clean up the chart. Let's see, the market is retracing, moving down. Okay, everybody. We have a counter trendline break. We have a counter trendline break. And one more. Is this or is this not? All together, all the 5-6 candles, is this, everybody, a bullish candlestick formation? Can you please compress for a second the chart to obtain a better orientation? Yes, sir, of course. Okay, compress the chart. Okay, Miguel. Morningstar. Lorenzo, Alessandro. Yes, could be Morningstar. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What we are trying to teach you, everybody, is it's okay to buy the bullish and the bearish. It's okay to buy the candlestick formations, but you need to know why are you entering at the time and the place. Okay, you need to know why are you entering in a specific time or place, right? So we don't have the crystal ball. Yes, this is could be a morning star. What we're going to do again, stop loss below the trend line, the uptrend line. Okay, so and we are going to move our stop loss accordingly with the market. Let's see what is going to happen. We don't have the crystal ball. The market retraced and we still have the same uptrend line. We are moving our stop loss together. The market retraced and the market is falling, going up, going down. We are moving our stop loss accordingly. And still in an uptrend, the market is moving up and down, right? Going sideways, moving up, moving down. We are moving our stop loss together with the uptrend line, and the market is moving again. Okay, we are here right now, everybody. This is our stop loss. We are here. I'm going to zoom on the chart, zoom in the chart. What is this? Arthur and everybody else, what is this? Is this a bullish candlestick formation? those two in here. I'm referring to Arthur the most because he wrote an email to us. Okay, it's locked. So we are here right now. Whoops. Why you don't take any trades drawn additional counter trend lines? Is there any reason behind? No, no reason. No reason. You could enter. Ditrex is asking, why don't you end? Yes, you have here another trading opportunity. Yes, sir. No reason. You could do this, right? And thank you again because we have more, right? So Ditrex is right. This is another bullish candlestick formation. This is another bullish candlestick formation, right? But most likely, if you're a beginner trader, when you enter the market, everybody, and the market is not giving you any profit, you would be fearful, right? You wouldn't enter again, right? And again, but Ditrex is right. You have 1, 2, 3 bullish candlestick formations, right? And this is the market, right? And what I want to hear from you, everybody, is this here, those two. And we are almost out of time, everybody. What is this? Is this a bullish candlestick formation? Some of you have difficulties identifying, right? Bullish tweezer, yes sir. Yes sir, this is the bullish tweezer. And again, we are going to enter this counter trendline break. And stop loss goes together. And let's see what happened. The market moved up and down. Our trend line, our stop loss. And the market is moving up and down. This is our trend line. Right? The market is sideways. And let's see, let's compress the chart. Trend line, let's see if the market is going to break this uptrend line. Still up. We are still up, right? So here is the problem right now, everybody. When you come to this point, right? I mean, for the 3 trades before, you could have take your profits up here, right? But here you would be stopped out because your stop loss goes together. And thank you, Ditrex. This is a much better example than mine. Here right now, you would be stopped out. Is this a technique used by scalpers? I have no idea, Miguel. I don't think so, because scalpers, they are... I'm not going to say 100% because I don't know that much scalpers. I have a friend or two that are scalpers, but they are moving the stop loss below or above the candlestick formation. So I would say no, this is not a technique used by scalpers. I would say no. Okay. So in this trade, if you wouldn't take your profits, now this trade wouldn't be a win. We would lose on this one. So this is a loss, right? And let's see what's happening with the market. And finally, we have the confirmation that the trend reversed. Sorry, I know you are not a scalper. No, sir. No, sir. No, I'm not. I try to be, but I'm not. I don't have the nerves, Miguel. Okay? And it's not my style. Emotionally, I'm not a scalper. I tried to be, you know, but I was not successful as a scalper. Okay, everybody. I hope you learned something today. See you back tomorrow. Our time is up. Thank you, Ditrex. Thank you. This was much better example than mine. And remember everybody, you need to know your candlestick formation and you need to know where and why. You need to know the time and the area that you are entering, because not all the formations are in the right place. And if you can spot a trend line with the stop loss together with the trend line, most likely your trades, and there are no guarantees of course, but most likely your trades should be safe. I appreciate you, D-Trex. Everybody stay strong and trade with passion. This is FXPassion signing off.